Myself Narnedi. I am from Math YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about problems regarding calendar. Actually, already told in last class what is calendar. What are the parts are there in calendar? Okay, but in this class, I am explaining about codes. What are there for days, months, and years? These are very important whenever you are doing the problem, because these are shortcuts. These shortcuts are used for doing problem within seconds. Okay. Now see here codes. Generally days are coded as 0 to 6 from Sunday to Saturday. In the same manner, month codes these are belongs to ordinary year. These are belongs to leap year. You know that. Ordinary year containing 365 days, leap year containing 366 days. And odd days are in ordinary year or normal year 1 and leap year is 2. Okay. But how months are coded? Generally, what is odd day? For example, 6. We didn't convert into weeks. Why? Because week containing 7 days. That is why those are 6 are odd days. But 7 by 7, 0 remainder, 0 odd days, that is Sunday. 8 by 7, 1 remainder, that is Monday. That is odd day. Same manner, 9 by 7 means 2 is remainder, that is Tuesday. In this way, regarding odd days, we can identify the days. That is important point which you have to observe. Okay. That is belongs to days. Next comes to months. Generally, every January containing 31 days. 31 by 7 gives 28 and remainder as 3. That is 3 odd days. Generally, January containing 3 odd days. But we are called as 0. How it comes, I will tell in future classes. Why you are taking 0? We are not taking 3. Okay. Also, February can be called as 3. March 3. So 0, 3, 3 in ordinary year. In same manner, in leap year 6 to 3. Please observe here. What is the difference between these two? In ordinary year or normal year. In leap year it can be coded as 6. Why? Because generally 0 is nothing but 7. Yes or not? 1 to 6 again start 7. But we can, for the sake of convenience, we are taking 0. Yes? Because 7 is weekdays. 7 weekdays. That is why we are taking 0. Yes. 7 minus 1 generally I am telling. 7 minus 1 6 or 6 minus 0, that is 6. Okay. Remaining all are same except these two, January and February. Also January also some difference will be happening whenever leap year comes. How that will be happening I will tell in the future classes. Okay. What is the difference is there? We are taking only in January, remaining are also there. Yes or not? Yes. February containing 29 days. But what is happening for remaining months? We are taking only 6 in January. That is a doubt arising in our mind. Okay, that is good. But I will tell the future class what is how this difference will happen. Okay. Now remaining all are same except January and February. That is course in January. Please repeat this. Please practice this month's course. These are very important. 033, 614, 625, 035. 623, 614, 625, 035. Those are January to December. Next comes to year code. Here, generally, how we can calculate odd days means 100 years containing 5 odd days. You know that. Because this containing 24 leap years and 76 ordinary years. 24 into 2, 48 plus 76. Okay, you can divide by 7, you can get 5 as a remainder. 100 years containing 5 odd days, that is good. But 400 years is there. 4 into 5, 20. 20 by 7, 14. remainder is 6, that is 6 coding, we are coding as 6, 400 years. 400 is coding as this one, 4, 600, 2, 700, 0. So 6, 4 to 0. This is in descending order. 4, 5, 6. Years are increasing and codes are decreasing. Please observe here. From leap year to this one, up to 0. Leap year, these three are ordinary years. Same manner, leap year, these are ordinary years, 6, 4 to 0. Leap year, these three are ordinary years, 6, 4 to 0. Leap year, these three are ordinary years. In same manner, vice versa. Okay? Please remember these things when you are doing the problems on calendar. Okay? Okay. Next, take the problem. What was the day on 1st John 600 years? 600 years. Please see here. First, there is a process is there. I will tell that process. Date plus month code plus last 2 digits plus whenever you are dividing by 4, quotient when divided by 4 plus year code, century code. Century code, these are these things. Yes or not? Century means here 600. Sometimes 620, 615. So many years are there. Yes or not? But we are taking 600 now. That is why 00. Yes. Now, what is date? 1st John. Month code. John code as 0. Here last 2 digits are 00. 00 divided by 4 plus century code 600 code as 2. Actually 0, 0, 0. This 1 plus 2, 3. 3 means what? Wednesday. That's all. Therefore, 1st John 600 is Wednesday. That's all. This is one method, shortcut method. But this problem can be done by using normal method. Also, I will tell that one. Please observe here, normal method. This is normal method. That is shortcut method. Both are same, but in a competitive exams we can use shortcut method because for saving time. Okay, but normal method I am telling here because you want to know about what is the difference between normal method and shortcut method. Yes or no? So see here, 600 years means 1st John 600 means first day of 600 years, 600th year. Yes or not? So before that 599 years completed. 599 years completed. So 599 years completed. In this 599, 400 years are leap years. And 100 plus 99. We are splitting this means already you know this containing 0 odd days. 0 odd days. Why? Because 400 containing 4 centuries, 20 plus this is leap year. Here we are not included leap year, just we are taking 4th century, but here you are including 4th century, that is why you are taking 21. 21 is 7 gives 0 as a remainder. 3 is quotient, that is why 0 odd day. Plus 100 years containing 5 odd days, you know that, already I told in last class. Here, please observe here, 99 years containing how many leap years means generally 24 leap years. Remaining are 75 ordinary years, but I have read in this way. Why? I will tell that one. In 99 years, every year containing 1 odd day, that is leap year or ordinary year. Yes or not? because ordinary year contain one odd day, leap year contain two odd days. Already 99, 24 also included. So totally how many? 29. This is 99, 128. But you got a doubt. Why you are taking this way? Means I will write in the bracket. 24 plus how many? 75. Yes. 24 into 2 odd days plus 75 into 1 odd day. These are ordinary, these are leap years. 48 plus 75. How much? 83, 123. Same man. By combining 99 and 24, 123. Both are same. Any difference? No difference. That is why you are taking shortcut. These are shortcuts which you have to use in mathematics at the time of examination. Because we want to complete as early as possible, within seconds. Any problem. That's why you are taking shortcuts. That's all. Okay. Now you divide by 7. Why? Because we want odd days. Yes or not? Whenever you want odd days, divide by 7. We want the leap years, we divide by 4. That's all. Now, once 5 remains, 2 remains. 2 is remainder. This is quotient. Okay. Now, this is up to 599 years completed. 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Okay. But 1st Jan, we are included 1st Jan. So, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 odd days. That's all. 3 odd days means Wednesday. That's all. Okay. Therefore, 1st Jan 600 equals to Wednesday. That's all. In this way you can find the day belongs to this date. Okay. Okay guys, please practice this course and do this problem. Take so many exams and see the calendar and search the calendar. Verify your answer is correct or not. Okay. See the next problem. If 5th June 1985 was Wednesday, then what was the day of the week on 5th June 1986? Please observe here. 85, 86. 5th June, 5th June. Date is same but year is different. How to identify this day? Please observe this code. 1st Jan 2001, it is Monday. For example, it is Monday. 1st Jan 2002 is Tuesday. Why? Because, please observe carefully. This is ordinary year, you know. This is ordinary year. So after ordinary year comes next day. In the ordinary year comes next day in next year. Okay? Next day means Monday, Tuesday. Also, this is also ordinary year. 2002 also ordinary year. So next day. 2003 also ordinary year. Comes next day. Same date. 1st Jan. But 2004 is a leap year. That is why alternate day. Next day. That means Friday goes. There is no Friday here. Why? Because leap year containing 2 odd days. Simple logic. Leap year containing two odd days. That is why we are leaving one day. That's all. Friday we are leaving. Next day you are taking Saturday. That's all. Same manner. 2006 Sunday. 2007 Monday. 8 Tuesday. 9 Thursday. Why? Because 2008 is a leap year. Yes or not? That is why you are leaving one day, because leap year containing 2 odd days. That is the reason. That's all. So guys, please see here simply. 5th June 1985 is Wednesday. Same date 86 is Thursday. That's all. Simple logic. There is no problem about that. Don't write any matter, just we write answer, that's all. Because 85 is ordinary year. That is why we can take next day. After Wednesday comes Thursday. But if there is any leap year is there here, suppose 84, 88, at that time leave Thursday and gets Friday. Here, same manner. Leaving Friday, get Saturday. That is why whenever leap year comes, can jump one day. Otherwise, comes to next day. Whenever ordinary is there, next day. Leap year is there, leaving one day. That's all. Simple logic. Okay, this we can find the answer. But please practice this problem. Same. What is the ordinary method, normal method? By taking odd days. Add all the odd days. How many odd days are there from 5th June to 5th June 1986? Means, for example, in January containing 3 odd days, February containing 0 odd days, if that is ordinary year. If that is leap year, contains 1 odd day, because 29 by 7 gives 28 and 1 is remainder. That is why 1 odd day. If this is ordinary year, gets 0 odd day. Why? Because 28 by 7 gives remainder as 0. That's why 0 odd day. Next, March 3 odd days, April 2 odd days. Why 2 odd days? 30 by 7, 28 and remainder as 2. That's all. This you can add all these things and divide by 7 gives same answer. What is Thursday? Here 4. You can get 4 as a remainder. That is 4 odd days. That is the answer. This is shortcut. That is normal method. If you want any doubt, please practice other method. So if you have any doubt about this problem, please drop a message for me. Okay? If the 5th June 1985 was Wednesday, then what was the day of the week on 5th June 1984? Same last problem, but you are taking 84. Here 85. See what is the logic is there. Same date, but here is different. Here you are taking 84. See here, 85 is more compared to 84. You know that. 5th June 1984 means what? Already in this year 1984, February already over. Yes or not? You are considering only from 5th June. Why? Because 1984 is less than 1985. That is why we are counting the days from 5th June to 5th June 85. Yes or not? Why? Because this is smallest year compared to 85. You know that. That is why, please observe here, 84 is less than 85. Simple logic, you know that. That means what? Here February already over. That is why 84 already actually leap year, that one. But there is no February here because already June is there. February is over. February, March, April, May also over. 5th June, June started. That is why we didn't take February as under consideration. This is point which what observed. Okay. So 1984, which day? 1985 already given Wednesday. This is leap year actually. But after leap year we can drop one day and comes this one. That means what? We want to drop Tuesday and get Monday. But in this 1984, already February is over, so we didn't take as a leap year. We didn't take as February as 29, but this is a leap year. Already, this is Monday, 1984, 5th June is Monday, but February 29 is over already. That is why we didn't take as 2 odd days. We won't take only 1 odd day because there is no February is there in this period. After 5th June, there is no February. Already February is over. That is why only we can take 1 day. That means 5th June 1984 is Tuesday and 85 is Wednesday. Please observe this logic. Why? Because February is over. That's simple logic. February is over in this year, that's all. We are taking from June. Whenever we are taking from February, at that we can add one day. That is good. That is correct. But here, February is over, that is why we can't take 2 odd days. We can take only 1 odd day. But it is a leap year. But February, there is no February. Why are you calling leap year? February containing 29 days. At that time only that month, that year called leap year. In that leap year, February contains 29 days. But here there is no February. That is why we are taking only 1 odd day. That is why we are taking next day, Tuesday, Wednesday. That means 84 is what day? Tuesday. That's the answer. If you check up, you can count all the days from 1984 5th June to 1985 5th June. How many days comes and divided by 7? You can get Tuesday 2. You can get remainder as 2. That is answer. When divided by 7, you can get remainder as 2. Quotient something and remainder as 2. That is remainder is nothing but odd days. That is the answer, Tuesday. Okay? So this is not correct. Okay? This is logic you have to observe in this problem. Okay guys? Please practice this problems for doing within seconds in competitive exams. Okay? See another problem. If 12th February 2005 was Saturday, then what was the day of the week on 12th February 2004? Very, very important problem. See here, 2005, 2004, 12th Feb, 12th Feb, a Saturday. But what was the day on this date? Actually, 2004 less than 2005. That means Saturday means the day less than this Saturday. That means Friday or Thursday, whatever it is. Why? Because this is less year compared to 2005. Okay. But our consideration 2004 12th Feb 2004 same 2005. Our consideration 2005 as given Saturday. Sat. Okay. What was the day on 2004 12th Feb? Same. But here one important point to observe. 2004 is a leap year. Yes. Leap year including February. At that time only that is leap year. That year contains February 2004, 2008, 2012, 16, 20, okay, etc. Contains February 29 days. At that time only that is leap year. Otherwise not leap year. But here, please observe here, 12th Feb. We are counting the days from 12th Feb. Means containing definitely 29. Because Feb is not completed in 2004. Approximately the middle, generally. 12, 13, 14, 29, last date. Okay. But Feb is there. That is why you are taking consideration 2 odd days. That means Friday. Next one is Thursday. That's all. That is the answer. Simple logic. But whenever Feb is not included, at that time you can take only 1 odd day. But here Feb is there. That is why we are taking 2 odd days. We are leaving Friday and taking Thursday. That is answer, Thursday. Therefore, 12th Feb 2004 is Thursday. That's all. That is the answer. Okay? These are simple tricks which are used in calendar problems. Please practice these tricks and try to complete as early as possible in competitive exams for saving the time for your success. Okay? Okay guys, in future classes I will tell you more tricks regarding calendar problems. Please practice this course and these problems. If you have any doubt, drop a message for me. Okay. Practice makes perfect in mathematics. I always will tell that one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe like and share it. Thank you.